Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. If you have a bad solenoid and you have to replace it, here is how you do it. First, what we're going to do is remove the wires from the solenoid. Next step, we're going to remove the bracket here that's holding the solenoid to the machine. So there is one bolt on the left side, and there are two bolts by the caster wheel on the right side. We're just going to take those out, 7/16. Pull the bracket out, set it over to the side. Now that we have the solenoid exposed and dropped down, there are two Oetiker clamps that we're going to have to cut and get off in order to pull the solenoid out. I'm just going to cut these guys. Just like that. Now you can pull the hose out from the outlet side. Now, what we're going to need to do is unscrew where the filter is. This just makes it easier. Just like that, and pull the solenoid out. Just like that. Now we can get rid of this Oetiker clamp. Be sure to have clamps on hand, either Oetiker ones or just your common hose clamps. So we want to get rid of this one. Just like that. Now reverse your steps, take your new solenoid, get a new hose clamp, put that sucker right there, install that on the inlet side, tighten the clamp back down, just like that. Now we are going to feed that line back through. You can leave it unhooked for right now. Take a new hose clamp, put it back on the outlet side of the solenoid. Tighten it back down. Like that. Now we can reconnect the solution filter and now install the bracket back to the machine with the 3 bolts that you took out. Now all we need to do is tighten everything back down. Last but not least, all we got to do is take the leads and plug them back in. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.